Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a quick little project share using some of the new KS Craft dies. So I used this book die that comes with the mama and the baby, this shaker flower, ooh, hairball in there, and then the teacup set with the mama and the baby. I'll do the first thing, which are the flowers. These are just some extra pieces. Look how stinking cute these are, you guys. I love it. The little center part is a shaker. I mean, you could skip that part and just put, you know, glue some hot glue and some sequins. I just layered it up a bunch of times. Inspired by Lori, she always like does really chunky. I only used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. Lori uses like 20. But look how cute the little shaker centers are, and they make noise. So these are the 3 different shapes of the flowers. You kind of, this top piece right here, this one, and this one. I don't have an example of this pointy looking one, but these are the other two, and they do have this like cutout in it. So I basically kind of just bended them like upwards, and then I went that middle piece, it kind of flaps so you can give it even more dimension. So that's fun that you can use that. And then this one just has like the texture and stripes in the petals. But I love the way these turned out. I love this. Okay. So that's that die. Next is the teacup die. I made a mama and a baby. I left this one kind of plain because I did put a little like cluster down here in the corner. This does come with this little piece, but I decided to leave it off to give it 2 different looks, you know. I love the like layering pieces. I did it in gold. I did the handle in gold. I layered it. The spoon, did it just like hanging on the saucer. The spoon and the saucer part have like stitched detailing layers. I used my puffy stickers. And then this, I just used some flowers, and I like had them peeping out. I was inspired by Crafty Kimchi. She had, I think she made embellishments where she had flowers poking out, and they were just so cute. Little fox with a bow. I would have added some faux flowers like right here, but I don't have my whole stash with me on vacation, so it was what it was. Okay, and then next is the books, which are these guys. Look how cute. I just did like a little tassel. These are from Aliexpress. Some wire wrap beads, and then I just did the Maggie Holmes sticker book, and it says love this, and it's a house. I don't know, I didn't know like what this book could be about. You don't have to embellish the front either. And then this one, this tassel was gifted to me, and then I just puffed this part up and stitched it and layered it. It says captured, so this could be like a photo album book. But these are super cute little embellishments, you guys. I'm obsessed with this Maggie Holmes Garden Party, and honestly, I don't know if I'm ever going to craft with another collection again. Okay guys, and then next is this die, which is the Rosette Die. I know that there's 3 different patterns now. When I say patterns, I mean this top piece. See how this one comes more down to a V, and this one's a shorter version of that. It doesn't go down as far. I personally like the shorter one better. And what you guys are going to do, I mean, these dies are literally almost 3 inches wide. So if you know anything about making rosettes, you know that this is just half of your circle. So both of these make a 6-inch diameter rosette. I don't want something that massive. So what I did is I ran it through like this. Use your cutter and cut this. Make sure you're not cutting off the wrong part. You want to keep this detail scoring at the top. You're going to cut this down to 1 1/4 inch. Okay, so once you do that, it looks like this, but you are going to need 2 to make a rosette. So you cut out 2 of these, cut them down to 1 1/4 of an inch, and then you get the piece and you fold it in half. It's going to crease right at the middle, and you cut that off. That's all going to be trash, that excess part. So you end up with something like this once it's trimmed down, right? And then you cut off one side. You're just going to cut a sliver off. That way your pieces can kind of like line up once you're folding and scoring. So you're gonna get your 2 pieces, and then you're kind of gonna glue them onto each other, like so. Okay, so say you have your rosette, whether you leave it big or not, you accordion fold it back and forth. I'm gonna use the bigger piece just because it's easier to hold and maneuver than the 1 1/4 inch. Okay, so there's your accordion fold, and your pieces, the slant should be facing down when you're looking at it like this. It's on the left and it's slanting down. You're gonna get it like one of your panels, and you're just gonna push in that I guess in between that line, you know, you're just gonna push that in and then accordion fold it down, kind of just smash it down like that. You're gonna get the next piece, kind of just push it in, and it kind of just starts curving itself like it knows what to do. It's leading the reins. Smash it down, get it again, just push and kind of just smash it all together, and it just goes down again. So that's the easiest way for me. I was trying to like go in and crease with my thumb and go this way and then try to go this way, and it was a hot mess. See, that's what it was looking like, and this is what it ends up looking like, which is very pretty. So yeah, like this. This is the size if you cut it down to 1 1/4 inch, both strips, cut one of them in half, and then cut a little sliver panel off. And you can layer them up, glue them, and yeah. All right, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.